Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are going through your Squarespace, but the mobile layout is totally broken. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna check on how to actually fix this type of issues, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, we're gonna open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and look for Squarespace, and we're gonna go through the login. Just tap on it, then put your email address and password. They're gonna take you all the way to the dashboard. I will show you how is it looking to this home dashboard. Then we have this edit pages, we're gonna tap on it. Then all the way try and check the mobile version. So basically this is the mobile version. If you can see that it's broken or anything else, go and see if the pages are fully linked. Then try and edit it. Basically, wherever you see the problem, add section, remove, edit it, whatever you actually want. Try and remove spacer blocks. Since they break mobile layouts fast, check the font sizes and image widths. Look if everything is looking good. Then if needed, switch to mobile friendly template. Well, I mean, some template that doesn't have much details. Something basically small for a phone to handle. And that's basically the whole idea, since we want our website to work both on desktop, on phone also. Then we can check with the support, send them an email, ask them for some help, and they're gonna answer you in no time, probably like 24 to 48 hours, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.